How to fix Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed in Fortnite. Hello everyone, if you are facing this kind of problem where the Fortnite is showing the Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed, then here's how to fix it. Firstly, go to your file location of Fortnite. To do that, right click on Fortnite and go to Open File Location. Once you are there, search for Easy Anti-Cheat and open the folder. Inside the folder, you will see a file named .exe. Click on Repair Service or Install. Now you will also need to verify the game file. To do that, open Epic Games website or the app. Then from the top panel, go to My Library. In your library, you will see all the games that you play. You will see a 3-dot icon next to your Fortnite game. Click on it and select Manage. Then select the option Verify from the menu, and this will check for missing files or reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat if necessary. Also check for your network connection. If none of these options are working, then try reinstalling Easy Anti-Cheat again. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.